what I'm saying? Jesus left the house when he was 13. That's a bad motherfucker. Just walk up to his parents. Look, I got to go. They're like, no, baby, no, I got to go. I got people to save and water to walk on. See you. He wasn't walking around in no dusty drawers. Jesus was knocking motherfuckers out. Trust me when I tell you, you walk into a new town and tell somebody, I'm God's son. What's the first thing come to your mind? Nigga, you tripping. You better get on out of my face with that bullshit. I'm trying to sell these mushrooms here. Because drugs ain't nothing new. Jesus stepped to him. Look, I'm going to give you one more chance. Stop what you're doing because you're about to ruin the style and the image that I'm used to. Brother like, yeah, right. Jesus clock him. But yeah. Yes, Lord. I see the light. Whole lot of them. Hey, Jesus was so cold, he was at the Last Supper Godfather style. Strong brother don't get loud. 12 motherfuckers eating his food. His homies. Back then, they called them apostles, homies, partners, his niggas, his road dogs. Eating up his shit. Jesus sitting there scoping them out. I know one of you motherfuckers snitched on me. But I'm gonna let you slide because it's all in my Father's plan. If it wasn't, I'd be whooping your monkey ass. Jesus was so cold, he was on the cross still talking shit. I'll be back in a couple of days. These little nails don't mean shit. They opened the tomb, Jesus was gone, John seen him walking down the street. Jesus, that's you? It ain't Peter, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? And that's power, man, to be able to wake somebody from the dead. That's power. Somebody breaking Jesus' mama house. Jesus be like, go on upstairs, baby girl.